How to use Safari extensions on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Safari extensions on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In the Safari app, you can install extensions to customize the way your browser works. For example, extensions can help you find coupons when shopping, block content on websites, give you access to features from other apps, and more. Now, to use extensions, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. Scroll down until you see the Safari option and tap on that and scroll down again under the General tab. You will see the option for extensions. Tap on that and further tap on the More Extensions option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view the popular Safari extensions. Go ahead and download the extension that suits your preference the best. For instance, I will download 1Password. Once the download is complete, open the Safari application on your device. Here on the address bar, tap on the small a and capital A icon you see on the bottom left of your screen, and in the window pop-up that appears, tap on the Manage Extensions option. Now, toggle on the 1Password toggle button and finally tap on Done, and with this the extension will be activated, and this is how you can use Safari extensions on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.